Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you know you are new to the channel or you are just a passerby and you come across this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, share and leave your comments in the comment section. And so I decided to get myself a camera because we all know using iPhone or maybe using our phones to record our videos is a problem as well, because the storage problem is the big problem on iOS, and every time they will tell you like you have to buy some storage and all those stuffs, and you might be recording your videos and your phone just cut off and says you don't have enough storage. Because you don't have enough storage, and you can't film anymore. So yeah, I got myself this, and the camera came with a wind pop filter, which of course you can use whenever you are vlogging outside or making videos outside. Some different sounds, if I can say or use this word. And I also got myself a memory card, which of course is 256 gigabytes, because you can't use the camera without a memory card. So I decided to get myself a memory card. This is a memory card. And when I get the memory card, I also get a memory stick for myself, which of course it is a dual memory stick. It has a type C, as you can see, and it also has a normal USB port, so if you can see. And I will definitely slot the memory card inside here, and I slot the memory stick on my computer, because if I'm going outside, maybe filming some videos, after filming the videos, I would like to edit them. So I will just take the memory card out of the camera and placed it inside here and do my thing. So that's why I got these things for myself. And the camera came with a battery also. The battery is inside. The battery is this, just one. So I definitely need another battery. This one won't be enough. And so yeah, this is the camera and all those stuffs. This is just a short video to show you guys I've gotten a camera and to unbox. It was unfortunate for you guys because you guys were not witnessing the unboxing. So I already unboxed the camera because I was too excited and happy to have the camera, and I just opened it at once. So we're gonna put the camera on and see if it will come on and all those stuffs. Yeah, it definitely comes on. You see, it is on and all those stuffs. So this is me on the camera and all those stuffs. If you can see, that's me there, and it is nice. This is the lens side. It comes with also this cover for the lens, which of course you can just protect it with this cover. You don't need to find another lens cover. So that's how it is. This is the camera itself. I haven't tried to take any pictures yet because I haven't put the memory card inside and I have nothing on it, and it also has to be charged and all those stuffs. But yeah, it is nice. It has a wide lens, as people said, because definitely, if you can see, my microphone is there. You can see it, but on my telephone recording, you can just see a little bit of the microphone. But this can give you a wide space of angle, like when you are, it will give you a wide angle space when you are recording or making videos. So this is a camera. I think, yeah, it is nice and all those stuffs. Yeah. And it is what it is. We have gotten a camera, so we're gonna push to make the videos and all those stuffs. This is the charger for the camera. This is the memory card. This is the memory stick. So I've gotten all these things for my camera, so to make my videos and all those stuffs.